Hello kids, a very good morning to you. I am Monisha from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation School, Arakkonam. Today we are going to see an interesting topic, that is occupation. So you all now itself you have aim, right? What is your aim? Someone would like to become a doctor, someone would like to become an engineer, someone would like to become a teacher, right? So what is this? Yes, this is an job or an profession, right? Job or an profession. Yes children, today's topic we are going to discuss, that is occupation. So in this session I would like to tell you what is the occupation and different types of occupation which is follows in our country India. Yes, can you tell me anyone what is our basic needs ma? Yes, air, water, shelter and food, right? This is our 4 basic needs. So you are all kids. So who is providing these 4 basic needs for you? Yes, of course your parents is providing these 4 basic needs for you, right? So have you think about why your father or your mother is going to the work? Have you think about this? Yes, I will tell you why they are going means in order to earn money. Okay, so why they are going to the office or why they are going to work? In order to earn money, they are working in some place. Okay, so with the help of money, we will fulfill our all essential needs. With the help of money, we will fulfill our all essential needs. Yes, I will tell you what is an occupation. So before itself I said occupation is an job or an profession. Okay, job or an profession. Now look at this. So that is any work which helps us to earn money is called an occupation. Any work which helps us to earn money is called occupation. So there are different kinds of occupation it will be there. In your street itself you will see different persons are doing the different works. Someone is keeping the shop, someone is working in office, someone is a police. So in your street itself you will see different persons are doing a different job. So look at this picture. He is an artist, right? The next is an photographer, the next is a singer, the next is an chef, okay, then doctor, then mason. So you will see that different persons are doing their different works. So that is what is occupation means. It is nothing but the any work which help us to earn money is called an occupation. Then next topic we are going to see some of the important occupation which is present in our country India. Do you know children which is the main occupation of our country? Have you have idea about that? Any idea about that? Yes, very good. Farming is the main occupation of our country. Farming is the main occupation of our country. So nearly 60 to 70% of the people, those who lives in our country are concentrating in farming. Why? Because means our country India is providing a favorable climatic conditions to grow the food grains. In order to grow the food grains, our country India is providing the favorable climatic conditions, and we have a different types of landforms also. So in previous session we have discussed, right? So Tidiksha, can you tell me the 5 different types of landforms? Yes, very good. That is the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert and the southern plateaus. The last is the highlands. Very good. So depending upon the landforms, the persons who are living nearby the landforms, they are doing their favorable works. Yes children. So depending upon the climatic conditions, the food crops will grow in a different climatic conditions. And the next is yes, the farmers will grow their food crops and sell them to the market. By this they will earn money. The food crops and fruits and vegetables which is cultivated by the farmers, they sell them to the nearby market. By them they will earn money. The next is cattle rearing. So So cattle rearing is also one of the important occupation in our country, India. So the cattle, like some of the cattle like cows, buffaloes, goats, which gives us a milk, and they reared on a big farms which is said to be as an dairy farming. So with the help of milk we will prepare a different types of sweets, and also we will make a chocolates, and we are making a different products like a ghee, butter, cheese, etc. So next we are going to see here is an poultry farming. Okay. So poultry farming is done to get the eggs and meat. Okay. So eggs and meat of hens and ducks. The next is an farming related occupation. So by this the farmers who are cultivating the crops, it will be directly sell down to the industries. Okay. So for example I will tell you like a cotton textile industry, let us take. So the farmers will cultivate the cotton crop, they will sell them to the industries. So they with the help of cotton as a raw material, they are making the cloths. Okay. So this is a work which was done by cotton textile industry. So let me take another example, that is in jute. Okay. So you know the jute plant. So we will get an fiber from the jute plant. The fibers will be segregated and then they will dry and then sell them to the industries. So with the help of that fibers, the jute industry will make a different types of products like a gunny bags, toyans, etc. Now you see the picture. Yes. So what does this picture refers? It refers to the jute bag, J-U-T-E, jute bag. And the second picture refers the cloths. So they use an cotton as a raw material, by this they are making an cloths. So this is the work which was done by the cotton textile industry. Similarly, let me take another example also, that is in tea industry. Okay. The farmers, they will cultivate the tea leaves, by this with the help of an industry we are getting as a tea powder. So these are all the few examples of the farming related occupation. So next we are going to see, the next occupation we are going to see here is an fishing. Okay. So fishing is the main occupation of the people, those who lives nearby the coastal areas. Okay. The persons who lives nearby the coastal areas, their main occupation is said to be the fishing. And the another occupation, so which is done by in our country, is the mining. So mining is nothing but the process of extraction of the minerals from inside of the earth. The process of extraction of minerals, from inside of the earth is said to be the mining. Okay. So for example, let me take gold and silver and then iron ore. So by this we are making a different types of with the help of an iron ore we are making a heavy machines, heavy machineries and railway coaches, they are all doing, right. So this is the work which was done by the mining. So mining is nothing but the extraction of minerals from inside part of the earth. Then we are going to see some of the other occupations. Okay. So some of the other occupations, like you will see some members is keeping their own shop. Okay. And some members is concentrating towards maintaining their own business, and someone is like to become an actor. Okay. And someone is like to become a singer or like to become a dancer. So some other occupation is also it will be there other than these types of an occupation. Doctor, doctor, check, 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 I want to be fit and healthy. Barber, barber, snip, 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 need a haircut, quick, quick, quick. Tailor, tailor, stitch me a dress, use your needle and use your thread. Sweeper, sweeper, clean, 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 pick up the dust and throw it in the bin. Driver, driver, drive carefully, follow the signals and road safety. Cobbler, cobbler, mending shoes, stitch them, paste them, make the look new. Yes children, I hope you all enjoyed this session. So in this session we have discussed about the what is occupation. So occupation is nothing but helps us to any work which helps us to earn money. And then we discussed about the different types of occupation. So in this we have discussed about the farming and then farming related occupation, and then we have discussed about fishing, and last we have discussed about the other occupations also. So for further information we have attached the study material, question bank and self assessment. Go through it and do the self assessment and check it out how much you have understood the concept. Thank you children.